This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook radish curry. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh radishes, washed and diced. Also, have your onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and a variety of aromatic spices at hand. This initial preparation is key to a smooth cooking process and ensures all flavors meld beautifully in your delicious curry. Now, let's build the flavor base for our radish curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and gently sauté your chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, stir in your dry spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ teaspoons of coriander, and ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. This step infuses the oil with incredible aromas. It's time to add our star ingredient. Introduce the diced radishes and chopped tomatoes to the pan, ensuring they are thoroughly coated with the aromatic spice mixture. Now, pour in approximately 150 milliliters of water or vegetable broth. Cover the pan and allow the curry to simmer gently on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This slow cooking process ensures the radishes become perfectly tender and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Almost there. For the finishing touches, stir in ½ teaspoon of garam masala and a generous handful of fresh chopped cilantro. These additions will elevate the aroma and taste of your curry. Give it a quick taste and adjust the salt if needed. Your delicious radish curry is now ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with your favorite rice, naan, or roti for a truly comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.